Hey, get up. Hey, wake up. Wake up.
And I told you to stop.
You in your sleep, I call man named Brian. My name Tyrone. Fuck name Brian. How you calling your sleep name Brian?
What?
Who in your sleep you call him Brian?
Was getting chased by a dog. What you talking about?
Get chased by a dog, you're supposed to scream. And I say help. Talk about Brian. Make and call Brian name again and see if you're gonna get us. You're gonna feel something warm side of your jaw.
What up, gang? What up, gang? Y'all already know when I am on the camera, I am about to give y'all the best banger ever. Also, I've been seeing this. I hear him upstairs. Let me hurry up. So I've been seeing this video going around with like these people pranking their men, acting like they moaning in their sleep, calling another man's name. So I'm about to do that to him so that I can act like I'm asleep. And then I'm gonna set the camera up so we can go from there. So see the rest of this banger. Make sure y'all stay tuned. You're not a part of this family. Make sure you guys go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Team Tay in the comments right now. Spam those comments. Like this video. Like it. We're trying to get to at least 5,000 subscribers by January. It's now September, so we still got time, but we ain't got too much time. Let's go.
God, Ryan, stop.
Babe. Babe. I understand how this one like blood clot sleep. I call man name, man. Let me get fixed that from.
Ryan, stop. Ryan, I have to stop. Oh my God, I feel so good.
Yo. Babe. Who the fuck named Brian? How y'all calling your sleep named Brian?
What?
Who in your sleep y'all calling him Brian?
What are you talking about?
You know they start sleep and talk about Brian.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, me go video you. Jump back to sleep. Let's see what I go on.
No.
You in your sleep I call man named Brian. My name Tyrone, you know, so know what the fuck y'all doing.
What are you talking about? Bro, I'm asleep. Like, you can't obviously. What are you talking about? Ryan.
Hey, get up. Hey, wake up.
What happened? What happened?
Yo, get up.
What?
You know, you better call different man name constantly in your sleep. So, what you tell me about?
What are you talking about? I'm dreaming. I was actually dreaming.
You're not the dreaming man named Brian?
I was getting chased by a dog. What are you talking about?
No, I'm a psycho. You can't get chased by a dog and talk about, Brian.
Oh my gosh.
You think that's what chased by a dog work?
I was getting chased by a dog. What are you talking about?
So when you get chased by a dog, you're supposed to scream. And I say help.
I said I'm getting chased by a dog.
And again, getting chased by a dog, you're supposed to say help.
Bro, why did you wake me up out of my sleep?
Can you call my name and talk about, ooh, Brian.
That was the dog name.
Where the fuck you get feel something from, man? What dog name?
Oh my gosh. What happened? So you woke me up out of my sleep because I'm getting chased by a dog?
You know, you get feel chased by a dog. You can get chased by a dog, he's getting chased by a dog and you call the dog name. So you know Brian. Or you know the dog name Brian. You got the dog before?
No.
So you get chased by a dog and you call the dog Brian.
I don't know.
Well, wake the fuck up. Wake up.
back to sleep.
None of that makes sense. Well, Brian.
Okay, but that was my ex name, but that he wasn't in the dream.
Say my dog now. Fuck yes.
Your face was in it.
But me and Brian, me and Tyrone.
You can't
Figure it out.
I was figuring it out. Sleep. And here you go waking me up out of my
Alright,
sleep.
I'm going to sleep again. And call Brian him again and see if you're going to get us. You're going to feel something warm side of your jaw.
Oh my God. Man, stop. I'm just sleeping. What are you talking about?
I'm going to just tell you how you sleep or go. You call a man named Brian. You always ask me what me I talk about like you're deaf. You deaf, man?
Can I go back to sleep?
Go on. Call Brian again. You're going to feel Brian warm and pine.
Oh my gosh. Why you want to bother me while I'm sleeping? Dang. I'm waking you up. I just sleep.
You ain't calling Stacy. You hear me in my sleep saying, Stacy, Stacy.
Okay, so what was wrong with that? What's wrong with me calling somebody's name in my sleep?
So where you call Brian in your sleep?
Because I'm dreaming.
Of Brian?
Oh, I told you Ryan was a dog. Ryan was a dog. You can't be serious.
Just did.
What happened? You wanted to be in my dream. Hey, I'm going back to sleep because I don't see what you waking me up out of my sleep for. That made no sense.
I wake you up out of your sleep because you were calling Brian name. Fuck you call Brian name. Fuck, who's Brian?
Oh my gosh.
You ain't there talk about Brian. Brian. What all of that for? Somebody must wake you up if me hear you call another man name. Hey, listen to me, woman. Don't get for me wrong bumbuck lad side, you know. You feel me? Come here, you call my name straight.
So what's wrong with me calling somebody's name?
So where you call Brian name? Who's Brian?
How am I supposed to know who? Oh my God, babe, stop being so insecure.
I'm gonna say, oh, insecure reaching you sleeping on me, you call a man name. Oh, insecure yourself.
Because you're insecure, you're right next to me. So why would?
Then that's why you have to call my name.
How am I supposed to call your name in my sleep?
Then what you call Brian? Who are Brian? Figure it out. Who are Brian?
I just told you Ryan was the dog, but Ryan is the dog that was in my sleep, in my dream. But I do have an ex named Ryan, but he was nowhere in my sleep.
Okay. Alright, then I'm going to sleep now.
No, because you're gonna end up waking me up again. I don't like to be woken up out of my sleep.
Well, I would prefer you to call Brian name in your sleep.
You jealous?
Remember my shop face and I can't explain me jealous. Yeah? And I mean, yeah, man, what kind of jealous story I talk about? If you hear me, I call Stacy and I go on who named Stacy.
No, because it's just a dream.
Who tell you that? I'm not gonna go check Stacy today. And I call Stacy name.
So you think I know? So you think I've been talking to my ex still?
I don't know what you're doing.
Remember, I did eat late.
The food and nothing to do with it.
Why? When you eat late, you always dream of crazy stuff.
No.
Why would I dream of me being chased by a dog?
And that me, I said, Brian. Me, I try to figure out the name Brian.
You must be jealous or something.
Okay.
I don't really got time for that.
I sleep, eh? But I promise you this, the moment you drop asleep and you call me here, you say, Brian, you wake the fuck up again. And this time you're gonna feel something warm against the inside. So figure it out. Because me don't know who name Brian. You keep on telling me Brian and your ex you call Brian and all and something there. None of that make no sense. You gonna sleep and I call my name. Oh, you go here, lady.
You don't even make sense because
Alright then, go and drop back asleep.
I'm gonna go to sleep and you gonna leave me alone.
That's fine.
That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna leave me
I'm
alone.
gonna do your maths now, man.
I don't. So how am I supposed to?
Do your maths.
How am
when
I
you
supposed
sit
to
down.
know if I'm gonna just fall back asleep and dream about my same dream?
I don't know.
What if it's a next man name like
You don't get fucking Irish. My next man name, I go call again. Cause I look like you're on a man spree call name.
Maybe you should take that to God and ask him why he's sending me these kind of dreams. Because I can't give you the answer.
I'm sorry.
All I know is I fall asleep. Whatever I dream about, that's what I dream about.
Okay.
I can't believe you. I'm going back to sleep.
Cool.